Hey everyone! Adobe Stock has completely transformed my editing process. I can easily find the perfect clips, images, and graphics when I'm putting together a video, social post, or presentation. It's packed with stunning, high-quality visuals that really help my projects stand out. And guess what? You can try it out for free. Click the link in the description below to start your Adobe Stock free trial. With Adobe Stock's trial, you can download assets and see how they fit into your projects. And if you love it, you can continue using their massive library. It's ideal for content creators, designers, or anyone who needs top-quality visuals fast. The best part is how seamlessly it integrates with Adobe apps like Premiere Pro and Photoshop, so you can grab assets directly from Adobe Stock without breaking your workflow. Getting started with the free trial is super simple. Click the link in the description below to start your Adobe Stock free trial. Once on Adobe's official website, click Start Free Trial. You'll be prompted to create or sign into your Adobe account. Once you're in, pick the plan that suits you. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period. The free trial gives you 10 standard assets, such as images, graphics, and templates to play with. You can explore their entire library and see how it enhances your projects. If you love it, you can continue the subscription after the trial. If not, you can cancel anytime without being charged. So try Adobe Stock, explore their collection, and take your creative projects to the next level. Now, beyond the trial, let's explore how you can also find free assets on Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock offers a selection of free assets. Let's explore how to find and download them. First, head to the Adobe Stock website. Look for the Free Collection section. This might be a banner or a dedicated link, sometimes on the landing page or within a menu. Once in the free collection, you can browse the available images and videos. Use the search bar to find specific content and apply filters to narrow down your results by category, orientation, or other criteria. Remember, the free collection is limited, so you may not always find exactly what you need. When you find an asset you like, click on it to preview it. Look for the Download button, which will usually be clearly visible. Select the free download option. You should sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. It's crucial to understand the licensing terms for free assets. Adobe Stock's free collection typically comes with a standard license, allowing you to use the content for various purposes. However, there may be restrictions. Always review the license agreement before using any downloaded asset. Explore the free collection on Adobe Stock and discover high-quality assets for your projects. Remember always to respect copyright and licensing agreements. And don't forget to click the link in the description to try the free trial. If you need access to a broader range of content, consider subscribing to Adobe Stock. Thanks for watching.